Welcome back students to standard 10th maths revision October 2020. We are in the 6th session. Children, we are just solving the objective questions, right? Now the type of question is answer in very short, and this are from chapter 7. So far we have solved 116 objective questions in the form of MCQ, and now we are answer in very short. Okay, let's see the first one. Find the distance between these 2 points. Children, as I said, you make 3 columns. Point, x coordinate, y coordinate. All right, then you may write ये इस पॉइंट को A बोलो and call this point B. So A and B. A is the first point, so we'll call its coordinates x1, y1. B is the second point, we'll call its coordinate x2, y2. It's given, children. What is x1? A. What is y1? B. What is x2? Minus A. What is y2? Minus B. Correct? And what is the formula to find distance AB? By distance formula, that is square root of, yes, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Yeah, just put the values. Chaliye, what is x1? A minus x2 minus of A. So minus A becomes plus A whole square plus y1, that is B, minus y2, that is minus B. So this becomes plus B whole square. That is square root of 2A. Correct? This will be 2A. So square karenge to 4A square. This will be 2B. Square karenge to 4B square. So 4 is common. Alright? Into A square plus B square, and that square root holds. Okay, 4 is perfect square, it comes out of square root, and root remains A square plus B square. So what is the distance AB here? 2 into root A square plus B square, units, you can say units. Children, a common mistake made by students, what they write, here, yeah, 2 into A plus B. Square निकाल देते हैं, ऐसे नहीं निकलेगा प्लस में. So this is absolutely wrong. Be careful. Okay. Number 118 now. If the distance between the points this and this is 5. Oh children, distance is given. What can be the possible values of K? You have to find the values of K. चलिए, ये पॉइंट को A कहते हैं, ये पॉइंट को B कहते हैं. जो मैंने बोला वो कर देते हैं. 3 कॉलम्स. पॉइंट, x कोऑर्डिनेट, y कोऑर्डिनेट. करेक्ट? ऑलराइट. दो जो पॉइंट है हमारे पास, दैट इज A, B. फर्स्ट पॉइंट का x1, y1, सेकंड पॉइंट का x2, y2 कोऑर्डिनेट्स. देख लो यहां से, x1 is 4, y1 is k, x2 is 1, y2 is 0. Now the distance is given, children. AB is equal to 5. The distance is 5. Alright. Chaliye. So write the formula for AB. AB. Square root of that is equal to 5. Children, हम direct लिखेंगे now. x1 minus y1. So that is 4 minus k whole square plus x2 minus, x1 minus x2, that is 4 minus 1, and then y1 minus y2, that is k minus 0 whole square, that is 5. Taking square on both sides, ये square root निकल जाएगा. So 3 square plus k square is equal to 25. Be careful. I'm squaring both sides. तो ये square उड़ गया. 4 minus 1 is 3 square, and this is k square. Therefore, k square is equal to 25. This is plus 9. On other side, minus 9. So, k square is equal to 16. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus O. So, value of k is plus or minus 4. Is that clear to you, children? Alright. Next, find the distance. इस बार distance ढूंढना है of point P from origin. Origin, let's take symbol of that point as O and its coordinates are 0, 0. Alright. So, okay. X coordinate वो तो फॉर्मूला भी है, आपको लिखना चाहिए डायरेक्ट y coordinate and the point. Which are the points here? P and O. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Coordinates of P are X and Y. Coordinates of O are 0 and 0. Now PO is square root of, I'm writing directly, whole square plus bracket square. X1 minus X2, that is X minus 0. Y1 minus Y2, that is Y minus 0. That is equal to X square plus Y square and square root. That is the distance. So what is the distance here? Square root of X square plus Y square. Once again, I would like to point out the mistake. Children, if this question is in the form of multiple choice question, and if the first option given to you is x plus y, most of the children will write this. Why? They will think square root of x square plus y square. Square square gaya, so x plus y. Absolutely wrong. X square plus y square is not perfect square, so it does not come out of the square root. Okay? Yeah, if it was of this form, x plus y whole square, तो वो स्क्वायर रूट से निकल सकता है. ऑलराइट? और x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इज नॉट इक्वल टू x प्लस y होल स्क्वायर. अब इसका एक्सपांशन करो तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस y स्क्वायर, ऐसा एक्सपांशन आता है. सो दिस आर नॉट इक्वल. ओके चिल्ड्रन, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, एंड दैट इज नंबर 120. Find the distance between point A and B. All right. I think I'll write directly. AB is equal to square root of. After so much of practice, I'm writing directly. चलिए, difference of x coordinate whole square. So this is 10 cos theta minus 0 plus difference of y coordinate square, that is 0 minus 10 sin theta, that is equal to, well, this is 10 cos theta, 10 square is 100, cos theta square is cos square theta, plus this is minus 10 sin theta square, but minus becomes plus 100 because index is even, and sin theta square, so that is sin square theta. 100 is common, in the bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is very interesting. 100 into, that is identity 1, that is square root of 100, and that is plus or minus 10. Be careful, the distance between is plus 10, not minus 10. क्यों minus 10 नहीं लिया? Because distance is always greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be less than 0. Distance equal to 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन less than 0 नहीं हो सकता है. Correct children? Okay. Now 121. Find the coordinates of point on y-axis which is nearest to this point. Oh children, थोड़ा सा फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं. ये पॉइंट कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट में होगा? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव है. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव है, सो दैट इज इन द सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. तो मैं सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट बड़ा सा दिखाता हूं, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट ज्यादा. ऑलराइट, -2, -1, -2, -3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually there is no need to draw the figure, children. -2, 5 यहां आएगा. This is -2, 5. The coordinates of point on y-axis which is nearest. Okay, y-axis को nearest ये है, ये point है y-axis को nearest. The one which is perpendicular distance. So ये point के coordinates क्या होंगे? The point is on y-axis, so its x coordinate is 0 और y coordinate देख के लिख दो 5. So this is the point on, या coordinates of the point on y-axis which is closest या nearest to -2, 5. I hope that is clear to you. Okay. Next, find the fourth vertex Find the fourth vertex of parallelogram ABCD whose three vertices are this. Use your brain. This is parallelogram. Let's say ABCD. The first is minus 2, 3. The second is 6, 7. Next is 8, 3. And this is what you are supposed to find. This is what you are, I'll call it XY. Or let me call it X4, Y4. This is X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. The third one is X3, Y3. How will you find X4, Y4? Here is the idea. Draw the diagonals. Call this point as O. And you know diagonals bisect each other. So, yeah, you have both these coordinates here. A और C का coordinates पता है. B और D में B का पता है और D का नहीं पता. So what I do children, ये जो midpoint बना उसका coordinate I call it XY. So I can get X coordinate. See this. O is midpoint of AC. So by using midpoint formula, what is X coordinate of OX? That is equal to, yes, average of X coordinate of A and C. That is X1 and X3 divided by 2. That is, what is X1? Minus 2. X3, 8 divided by 2. That is 6 by 2 and that is 3. So X is 3. You got this X, 3. Alright. Similarly, you find out Y. Y coordinate. Y1 plus Y3 divided by, that is 3 plus 3. That is 6 divided by 3. Sorry, divided by 2 and that is 3. So this Y coordinate is also 3. Now use this. Okay. X is equal to, X is also midpoint of BD. So X coordinate is equal to X4 plus X2. X4 plus X2 divided by 2. Now you know X coordinate, that is 3. You don't know X4. So write X4. Here 2, okay. Plus X2 is what? Where is X2? Here 6. Whole upon 2. Take 2 on other side. So it multiplies. So 6 is equal to X4 plus 6. 6 cancels. So X4 is 0. So you got the X coordinate. Now you find out the Y coordinate. What is Y coordinate equal to? Y4 plus Y2. Y4 plus Y2 divided by 2. Now what is Y coordinate? 3. Y4 we have to find. Plus Y2 is 7. Whole upon 2. If you take 2 on the other side, it multiplies. So 6 plus 7 on this side, minus 7 is Y4. I.e. Y4 is equal to minus 1. So what is the coordinate of the fourth point? Yes, X coordinate is 0 and Y coordinate is minus 1. So these are the coordinates of fourth point, 0, minus 1. I hope that is clear to you children. Good. Children, moving on to the number 123. Okay. Let's read the statement. If the point, yes, 0, 2 is equidistant from these 2 points. Let's say this point is A, this point is B, and this point is P. P is a point equidistant from A and B. Okay, the coordinates you can see. Then find the value of K. What is K equal to? Alright, I'll try to draw the figure here. Okay, P is a point here having coordinate 0, 2. A is a point here having coordinates 3K. B is a point here having coordinates K5. PA equal to PB. Alright children, the distance of this point P from A and B is equal. That is given. So children, what you have? PA equal to PB. Squaring both sides. PA square is equal to PB square. P you can call it X, Y. A, the first point you can say X1, Y1. B, the second point you can say X2, Y2. Children, be careful. Bracket square plus bracket square, that is PA square, is equal to PB square that is bracket square plus bracket square. Please try to understand. ये स्क्वायर है इसलिए वो स्क्वायर रूट नहीं है. Now P is here and A is here. PA square. So x minus x1, that is 0 minus 3. Alright. Then y coordinate minus y coordinate. So 2 minus k whole square. Be careful now. Now you have PB square. P is here, B is here. PB square. So x minus x2, 0 minus k. 0 minus k square. Then y coordinate minus y coordinate. 2 minus 5 square. Alright. Therefore, this is minus 3 or square plus 9. ये स्क्वायरों को बाइनोमियल a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर होगा. 2 स्क्वायर 4 माइनस 2 इंटू 2 इंटू k 4k प्लस k स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू दिस इज माइनस k स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर इंडेक्स इवन है सो इट बिकम्स प्लस k स्क्वायर और प्लस दिस इज 2 minus 5 which is minus 3 minus 3 square becomes 9. The good thing about this equation, k square on opposite side cancels. Alright. 9 also same on opposite side cancels. Minus 4k you can take on other side to make it plus 4k. 4 cancels. 4 ones are 4 ones are. This is not addition. Be careful. Therefore k is equal to 1. So the value of k is 1. Alright. Next one. Write the perimeter of triangle formed by the points O, A and B. Alright children, the triangle O, A and B. Coordinates of O, 0, 0. Coordinates of A, A0. Coordinates of B, 0, B. Is that clear to you? Yeah. You may call this as x1, y1. This point x2, y2 and this x3, y3. When you draw the diagram, you don't have to make those three columns, point, x coordinate, y coordinate. You may write directly here. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now, you have to find the perimeter. My goodness. What is perimeter of triangle OAB? OA plus AB plus OB, the three side OA plus AB plus OB. So that means three distances you have to find. All right, children. OA. I'm going to write directly. O or A. X coordinate minus x coordinate 0 minus A whole square plus y coordinate minus y coordinate, that is 0 minus 0 whole square. So ये minus A का square A square. 0 का तो 0 ही plus 0. So that is square root of A square. And that is A. So OA is A. ये OA हुआ A. Plus. अब AB ढूंढिए. Alright. AB. Square root of A minus 0 square. That is A square. Plus. 0 minus B. Y coordinate का difference. 0 minus B. That is minus B square and plus B square. That's it. This will be root A square plus B square plus the last. क्या ढूंढना है अब हमें? Yes, OB. OB is equal to square root of OB. यहाँ 0 minus 0, that is 0 only. Square B 0. 0 plus y1 minus y3. 0 minus B, B square. Minus B का square B square. और स्क्वायर रूट में से बाहर निकल के b. 0 plus b square is b square. Square root of b square is b. So this is b. So perimeter is bit strange. That is a plus b you may write first and then square root of a square plus b square. Is that clear to you? You can't simplify this further. Okay. Next. Write the ratio. Oh children, you have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining this point, let's call it A, this point B, is divided by x-axis. Oh children, I'll draw figure. Alright. This point 2 3, it will be in the first quadrant. 2 और 3 थोड़ा लंबा, this point 2 3 समझ लो, and then plus minus, so fourth quadrant, so that is 3 लंबा and 3 is here. All right, next point is 3 minus 2, that will be in the fourth quadrant. So 3 थोड़ा यहाँ और minus 2 यहाँ, this is the point 3 minus 2. और ये line segment joining intersects x axis. Let's say this point is P. Point is on x axis, so y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate पता नहीं है, ढूंढ लेंगे. Is that clear? Okay. ये point को हम A बोलेंगे, ये point को हम B बोलेंगे. In fact, we have already called that. Now, in what ratio does it divide? Children, ratio वाली दो फॉर्मूला है. X coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. यहाँ रेशियो है m is to n. If you consider ratio m is to n, then these are the formula. But if you consider the ratio lambda, ratio आप lambda लो तो x coordinate is equal to lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1, correct? And y coordinate is lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1. याद आया children? That is the formula. चलिए, I'll give you a trick. Whenever you have to find the ratio, you use lambda formula. And whenever ratio is given and you have to find any coordinate, then you use m is to n formula. So, formula containing m and n. So, here in this question, do we have to find the ratio or any coordinate? Yes, we have to find the ratio. So, we'll use the second formula. Okay, ये में से इसमें से कोई भी formula. Now, children, ये आपका x coordinate है और ये आपका y coordinate है. So, use this second formula because y coordinate is known. X coordinate तो x ही है, पता नहीं. So, find out. Use this formula. So I'm using it. Y is equal to lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1. Yes, y coordinate is 0. Lambda we do not know. और y2 क्या है? ये x1 y1 है और second point x2 y2 है. So what is y2? 2 plus y1 3 whole upon lambda plus 1. Lambda plus 1 into 0 will be 0 only. Correct? And that is 2 lambda plus 3. So 2 lambda is equal to minus 3. So lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2. Children, I have made mistake here. Here there is minus 2. Yes, the second coordinate be 3 minus 2. Okay. So y2 की formula में यहाँ minus 2 आएगा. y2 is minus 2. ये lambda into y2, that will be minus 2 lambda. So this will be minus 2 lambda. So minus minus becomes plus plus. So ratio is positive because ratio is always positive. All right, children. Okay, clear? So you have 3:2. See that correction. Now moving on to the next one, and that is number 126. What is the distance? आपको सिर्फ distance ढूंढना है between the points this two. All right, I'll write directly. Distance AB is equal to square root of x coordinate 5 sine 60 minus x coordinate 0 whole square plus y coordinate 0 minus y coordinate 5 sine 30 whole square. This gives me, 5 sine 60 minus 0 is 5 sine 60 और square करेंगे तो 25 into sine square 60 plus 0 minus 5 will be minus 5 sine 30 square करेंगे तो plus 25 और sine square 30 square root बना रहेगा. चलिए take 25 common. Alright children, bracket में sine square 60 plus sine square 30. You should know the values. 25 स्क्वायर रूट में से बाहर होकर 5 बन गया. Sin square 60. What is sin 60 now? Alright, that is root 3 by 2. Square करेंगे तो 3 by 4. और what is sin 30? Half. Square करेंगे तो 1 by 4. Alright, so that is equal to 5 into square root of 3 plus 1 whole by 4. That is 5 into 4 by 4. That is 5 into root 1. And that is 5 into 1. And that is 5. So, what is the distance in this case? 5 units. Is that clear? Okay. Number 127 now. If the distance between these 2 points is 5, then what is the value of x? Children, distance already दिया है. Distance is equal to 5. Now distance की formula square root of bracket square plus bracket square is equal to 5. पहले में x का डिफरेंस क्या है? x कोऑर्डिनेट का x minus 0, ठीक है, प्लस 0 minus 3, ठीक है. This is x square plus 9 or square root, that is equal to 5. Squaring both sides, so x square plus 9 is equal to 25. Children, I think this is repeated. 16, so x equal to plus or minus 4. Yeah, the value of x can be plus or minus, variable है, so it is plus or minus 4. Clear? ऐसा ही सम किया जिसमें k था. All right. Number 128. Okay, children. If the centroid, children, we have seen this centroid of triangle formed by point P, Q and R is at origin, then what is the value of A plus B plus C? I'll draw the figure, children. A, B, C. This is P, Q and R, because P, Q, R points are mentioned. Now this is AB, point coordinates of Q are BC, coordinates of point R are CA. Alright, इसको कह देंगे x1 y1, इसको x2 y2, इसको x3 y3, and then we have centroid. I told you the symbol is G, and we shall call its coordinate xy. Then there is a formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Put the values available to you. Yes, children, this is 0, 0 because it is at origin. The centroid is at origin, so its coordinates are going to be 0, 0. Alright, so what is x coordinate here? 0. What is x1? A plus x2 B plus x3 C whole upon 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 is equal to A plus B plus C. Value मिली गई. A plus B plus C equal to 0. Clear, children? Good. Alright. Moving further. Number 129. Alright. Write the coordinates of a point on x-axis equidistant from these 2 points. समझो बराबर. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This point will be in the second quadrant, minus 3, 4. This point will be in the first quadrant, जहां कहीं हो. Alright, 2 और 5. समझ लो ये point. इसको मैं A बोलूं, ये point को मैं B बोलूं. Yeah, somewhere there is a point on x-axis such that this distance and this distance are equal. I'll call this point P. But this point P being on x-axis, उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है और x कोऑर्डिनेट x. ऑलराइट, आपको ये पॉइंट ढूंढना है, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ढूंढना है. y कोऑर्डिनेट तो मिल गया, x कोऑर्डिनेट ढूंढना है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करें? या PA इक्वल टू PB. सो PA स्क्वायर इक्वल टू PB स्क्वायर. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ये राइट हैंड साइड, ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड PA x कोऑर्डिनेट x है, माइनस x कोऑर्डिनेट -3, सो माइनस प्लस 3. y कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस y कोऑर्डिनेट, दैट इज 0 -4. करेक्ट. Now this side is PB square. PB square. Difference of x coordinate, यहाँ x है वहां 2 है, x minus 2. Difference of y coordinate here 0 और 5 है, 0 minus 5. So ये expansion करना पड़ेगा, x square plus 6x plus 9. ये तो minus 4 का square plus 16. इसका एक्सपांड करना पड़ेगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 4, और ये तो माइनस 5 स्क्वायर 25. करेक्ट. गुड थिंग इज x स्क्वायर गया है, ये माइनस 4x ये बाजू ले आओ, सो 6x प्लस 4x बनेगा, ये 25 और 4 29, ये 25 बनता है टोटल, सो ये बाजू ले जाओ माइनस 25, सो 10x इज इक्वल टू 4, सो x इज इक्वल टू 4 अपॉन 10, 2 2 जा 2 5 जा. Children, so what is the value of x? 2 upon, yes. So here that point, its x coordinate is 2 upon 5, y coordinate पहले से पता है 0. Is that clear to you children? Good. Now number 130. Write the coordinates of reflection of point this in x-axis and y-axis. Try to understand the question. Once again I draw x-axis, y-axis. बराबर समझो. There is a point 3 pi, वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में होगा. Somewhere here, this is a point 3 pi. अभी reflections in x-axis, तो x-axis को मिरर समझोगे तो यहां से जितना दूर है उतना ही दूर आगे बढ़ो. यहां कुछ पॉइंट मिलेगा और ये उसका रिफ्लेक्शन है. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट विल नॉट चेंज, वो तो 3 3 3 रहेगा, लेकिन ये डिस्टेंस इक्वल है, ये डिस्टेंस इक्वल है. यहां प्लस 5 मिलेगा तो यहां y एक्सिस ऊपर माइनस 5 मिलेगा, सो y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is reflection of 3 pi in x axis. Now you are going to find reflection in y axis. Now find out reflection in y axis. So ये y axis को मिरर समझो. So यहां से यहां और उतना ही दूर ये पॉइंट मिलेगा. अब इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट बदलने वाला नहीं है, y इक्वल टू तो 5 ही रहेगा. So y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 5, लेकिन x कोऑर्डिनेट यहां से जितना दूर वहां से, तो यहां से 3 यूनिट है, तो यहां से भी 3 यूनिट, लेकिन ये -3 रहेगा. So -3 pi is a reflection of this point 3 pi in y axis. I hope that is clear to you children. Good. Okay. Number 131. If points Q and R are reflections of this in x axis and y axis respectively, what is QR? ये तो और आगे बढ़े हैं. QR मतलब डिस्टेंस ढूंढना है. पहले तो पॉइंट नहीं दिया है. पॉइंट कौन सा दिया है यहाँ? P. P क्या है? -3 4, so वो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में होगा. -3 4 सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में, दिस इज P. अब उसका रिफ्लेक्शन यहां से यहां डिस्टेंस, ये x एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस मतलब y, इट्स 4. सो यहां से यहां ये पॉइंट है वो, यस x कोऑर्डिनेट विल रिमेन द सेम विच इज -3, लेकिन y कोऑर्डिनेट प्लस है तो -4 हो जाएगा. हमने देखा है. दिस इज रिफ्लेक्शन इन x. सो रिफ्लेक्शन इन x को Q बताया गया है. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द रिफ्लेक्शन इन y. सो यहां से यहां कितना डिस्टेंस है? या इट्स 3 यूनिट्स, क्योंकि x कोऑर्डिनेट 3 है और यहां से यहां 3 होगा. ऑलराइट, ये पॉइंट अपना R रहेगा. ऑलराइट, विच कोऑर्डिनेट विल नॉट चेंज? यस, द y कोऑर्डिनेट विल नॉट चेंज. वो तो 4 का 4 ही रहेगा, लेकिन x कोऑर्डिनेट -3 है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में +3 हो जाएगा. एंड नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस टू पॉइंट्स. ये दोनों पॉइंट के बीच का डिस्टेंस ढूंढना है. सो QR इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, डिफरेंस ऑफ x कोऑर्डिनेट. ये -3 और ये 3 ही है तो -3, ये -4 -4 है 4. So this is -6 square, वो +36. This is -8 whole square, that is 64. Square root लेंगे, total 100, and that is equal to 10. Plus or minus 10 आएगा, but the distance is never, distance is always greater or equal to 0, -9. So the answer is QR equal to 10 units. Is that clear? Okay. What is the distance between points A and C? सीधा क्वेश्चन है, सीधा ले लूं. AB is equal to square root of difference of x coordinate plus difference of y coordinate. देख लीजिए x coordinate C और 0 है, so C minus 0 square. यहाँ 0 और माइनस C है, 0 माइनस माइनस C, वो प्लस C हो जाएगा. अब माइनस C का स्क्वायर प्लस C स्क्वायर और C स्क्वायर AB, so that is 2C square. ओ C स्क्वायर में से C आउट और √2 रहेगा, so √2C. So what is the distance? √2 into C units. Is that clear? Okay. Next, P26 is the midpoint of line segment joining this. Then find the value of y. All right, सीधा फिगर ड्रॉ करो. You have point A, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 6 और 5. You have point B, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट है y और 4 और y. और एग्जैक्टली मिड पॉइंट. चिल्ड्रन, मिड पॉइंट क्या है? मिड पॉइंट 2 6. तो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. ढूंढ लीजिए, y चाहिए तो y ले लो, सब y ले लो. मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला क्या है? ये x और y बोलो, इसको x1 y1 बोलो, इसको x2 y2 बोलो. ये y और ये y अलग है. यहां y कोऑर्डिनेट चाहिए हमें. y कोऑर्डिनेट इज व्हाट? y1 प्लस y2, y1 प्लस y2 by 2. दिस इज मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. अब y तो पता है 6, यहां y1 पता है 5 और y2 पता है वो y अपॉन 2. 2 6 12, correct, is equal to 5 plus y. So 12 minus 5, that is 7, is y. So y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 here. Is that clear, children? We proceed further. If the distance between these 2 points is 5 units and y is positive, what is the value of y? Children, distance, I am writing this word, distance is equal to 5. Alright, so bracket square plus bracket square in the square root is equal to 5. चलो डिस्टेंस x कोऑर्डिनेट का 3 minus 0 और ये 0 minus y. x कोऑर्डिनेट का डिफरेंस 3 minus 0, y कोऑर्डिनेट का डिफरेंस 0 minus y. ओके, दोनों और स्क्वायर कर लेते हैं. सो स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट गॉन, ये 3 का स्क्वायर 9, ये माइनस y का स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर और 25. सो y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25 माइनस 9. सो y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 16. सो स्क्वायर रूट ले लोगे तो y इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 4. बट y इज इक्वल टू 4 ही लेना है क्योंकि यहां बताया है कि y इज पॉजिटिव. सो y इज इक्वल टू 4. You can exclude or neglect the value of minus 4. Is that clear? So we'll see the last two numbers questions in this session. All right. A, B and C are 3 vertices of parallelogram. Find the 4th vertex. We have seen one, maybe the same or different, I don't know. A, B, C, D. इसको कहो x1 y1, इसको कहो x2 y2, x3 y3, and this is xo yo. All right, yeah, the first is 1 2, next is 4 3, third is 6 6. ये तो हमें ढूंढना है. You know, the diagonals bisect each other. Say suppose in point O, उसके coordinates x y, तो O is midpoint of AC and O is also midpoint of BD. I take this first. O x y is midpoint of AC. मैंने AC पसंद किया क्योंकि A के coordinates और C के coordinates पता है. So x coordinate is equal to x1 plus x3 divided by 2. That is 1 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 7 by 2. Y coordinate is y1 plus y3. So 2 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 8 by 2 and that is 4. So you got those coordinates. Now this is also midpoint of BD. So OXY is midpoint of BD. So इसका x coordinate is equal to x2 plus x4 by 2. Now we know x coordinate is 7/2 is equal to x2 क्या है 4 है, x4 क्या है वही ढूंढना है, अपॉन 2, 2 cancels, 7 minus 4 is 3, so x4 is equal to 3. उसी तरह y coordinate, okay, y coordinate is equal to y2 plus y4 by 2. Now y coordinate हमें मिला है क्या है 4, y coordinate is 4, y2 क्या है 3, y4 क्या है नहीं पता, ये 2 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, 8 minus 3 is equal to y4. This implies y4 is equal to 5. All right, so what is x4? 3. And what is y4? 5. So this fourth point D has coordinates 3, 5. Clear? Okay. 136th one. Find the value of A so that the point 3A lies on a line represented by this. All right, children. This point lies on it. So 3A is the solution of 2x minus 3y plus 5. The point is on this line represented by this equation, linear equation in two variables. So this is the solution. Like x equal to 3 and y equal to a. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is a. Is the solution of this equation. Put the value. Okay. So 2 into x, that is 3, minus 3 into y, that is a, plus 5 equal to 0. So 6 minus 3a plus 5 equal to 0. ये दोनों को ऐड करो 11, माइनस 3a को प्लस बनाने के लिए राइट साइड ले गए. So 11 upon 3 is equal to a. So a is equal to 11 upon 3. That's it. I hope everything is clear to you. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.